toothpaste manufacturers don't want you to know about this. Once you do this, you will not use the toothpaste the same way ever again. All these toothpaste I accumulated in my home in a month. Many people use toothpaste and end up throwing away and buying a new one, and with this waste the end. This is not the best option, since it is throwing a large amount in the trash. It is normal when using and with your hands. You cannot remove the rest of the toothpaste. In many homes end up accumulating paste with a remainder and not knowing how to use, even knowing that it still contains a large amount of toothpaste. Many people also use scissors to cut the bottom of the package to use until the end, but this way it ends up making a lot of dirt, in addition to entering several bacteria, and can also dry the paste and become useless. I'm sure you'll save a lot of money after discovering the secret. It is so simple that I will only use 2 items. To start, we must use one of the toothpaste that are already at the end. The first item to facilitate the use of toothpaste is the cotton swab. Only 2 units is enough for use in this tip. The second item is the silicone elastic. Only 2 units are enough. These silicone elastic bands are the same used to hold hair. Now we must position the 2 swabs at the base of the toothpaste, only by attaching along with the swabs and pressing to the part that contains the rest. We can easily remove. And the amount we couldn't use, I'm sure it would be enough for use for at least another week. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Charlotte Barnes. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I'm sure this tip will make your daily life easier and avoid wasting toothpaste. Once this is done, we can now fully use the toothpaste. After using this way, I saved a lot of money. Each of the toothpaste can be used for a few more days. I'm sure you will use this tip in your home, and all your family members will support this tip for economy. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.